Ever pondered how your favorite drinks are safely stored in glass bottles? It all starts with a careful selection of high-quality raw materials. Sand, the backbone of the process, limestone for durability, and soda ash to lower the melting point. These ingredients are meticulously measured and mixed, ensuring the creation of a perfect glass bottle. It's a process that demands precision and expertise. And so with these raw materials, the journey of a glass bottle begins in a hot furnace. Imagine a fiery furnace, blazing at temperatures around 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the start of the remarkable transformation that turns a simple combination of raw materials into a glass bottle. The process begins with the heating of these mixed raw materials. Sand, limestone, and soda ash, each with their unique properties, are subjected to this extreme heat. They surrender to the intense temperature, melting and merging into a glowing, molten liquid. But this furnace isn't just about heat. It's a purifier, a refiner. The scorching temperatures are vital in burning away impurities, ensuring the final product is clear and strong. The fiery furnace, then, is the heart of the glass bottle-making process. It's here that the magic truly begins. From a fiery inferno, a molten liquid emerges, ready to take the shape of a bottle. Now, how does this molten liquid become a bottle, you might ask? Well, let's dive into the fascinating process of molding. The molten glass, heated to a red-hot temperature, is cut into uniform portions known as gobs. These gobs are then swiftly carried over to the molds, waiting to give them shape. The molds are the unsung heroes in this tale, giving the glass its final shape. They are the master sculptors, turning a shapeless gob into a perfectly formed bottle. Once inside the mold, the gob takes the form of the bottle, mirroring its intricate details. But the job isn't done just yet. The newly formed bottle is still hot and delicate, prone to cracking. It's then cooled gradually, a process known as annealing, to relieve any internal stress and strengthen the structure. Et voila, from a hot, fiery liquid to a cool, smooth bottle ready to hold your favorite beverages. But wait, our bottle's journey isn't over just yet. After the molding, each piece undergoes a thorough inspection to ensure it's flawless. Any defects, they're swiftly rectified. Then it's time for a polish. Sharp edges are smoothed out, making the bottle safe to handle. Finally, our bottles are packaged with care, ready to embark on their journey to the marketplace. And there you have it, a perfect glass bottle ready to serve its purpose.